There's just been a survey that's been completed about 2 weeks ago. One of the questions in that survey was in relation to grazing and how commonly people are using it to target their summer grass weeds. And about 50% of the respondents to that survey said that they are now using grazing to manage their summer grass weeds. Now, we haven't done any recent research in terms of how effective grazing is, whether or not the grazing process actually destroys the weed seeds if you're grazing at that stage. So I'm not actually able to give any information on how effective it is, but if 50% of the respondents to this survey are using it, it's obviously been seen as a viable option in addition to other things we have available to manage our summer grass weeds.
Well, in my part of the world, northern wheat belt of Western Australia, a lot of the livestock left after droughts in 06 and 07. And we've got a lot of continuous crop, very few livestock, and summer weed control has become an enormous challenge. And particularly we're seeing a lot of grasses, so a lot of sort of subtropical type grasses coming into the system, which has meant that now all of our summer weed control involves glyphosate. Years ago it used to just be phenoxys and garlon and so on for melons, but now there's grasses in the system, we're using glyphosate all summer as well. When we had livestock grazing summer weeds, we didn't have that reliance on glyphosate. So that's just it puts more pressure on glyphosate.